Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for June 17, 2019. This week we're going to get started with the USDCHF, the US dollar, versus the Swiss franc for today's trade analysis. First things first, long term, we have been in a downtrend. We go all the way back to the top of the chart near the 1.0230 level. We're looking at the highest high back on April 26. So since April 26, we've been overall in a downtrend. There have been now 3 periods where the market rebounded, retraced within this downtrend. You can see that little period here, not quite a full retracement, but definitely a good push back. Here was a second attempt right here in the middle of the trend, and now, of course, in the past week and a half or so, we've seen a little bit of a stiffer and stronger pullback as it's come right back up to the parity level into the middle of this green shaded area here in the middle of the chart. So within the downtrend, there have been rising periods. The question, of course, of the day and of the week, especially as we go into FOMC on Wednesday, will the market bounce off of this trend line, bounce off of this resistance zone, and go back down in the direction of our longer term trend, or are we going to see the rebound for the dollar? Will it break through all of that and continue to pressure back up for the USD? Now that we see that wider view, let's zoom in a little bit, and again, you come into this green shaded area. A couple of things going on here. Actually, I don't want to zoom in that far. Let's go here. First things first, Fibonacci retracement measurement from the highest high to the lowest low puts the 0.382 right at the parity level, 1.0. That's interesting. 382 right at 1.0. Of course, we have that significant price handle, 1.0, sitting right at the top of the green shaded area. And of course, we also have the downtrend line capping the last two highs that we see here, and that's where the market is challenging today as resistance. So we have Fibonacci, we have significant price handle of 1.0, we have the trend line, the black trend line there. We know, of course, the green shaded area, and of course right around 1.0, we've seen historical resistance and support before. So there's a lot of things going here for the dollar franc to find resistance into the green zone, and really it highlights the fact that we're looking for one of these two scenarios, one of these two actions to happen. It's either going to break above it and continue the rising trend, and we look for opportunities to buy it, or it stays underneath it and we look for opportunities to sell it. Let's take it down to the 4-hour time frame. And as we get down here, of course, we can already see, since market open and Friday, the market finding resistance underneath 1.0, the 382 fib, the black trend line, all of that holding as resistance currently. And that green shade area, by the way, is 0.9990 up to the 1.0 parity level into that green zone. So I don't think buying today makes a whole lot of sense. You know, if you're thinking about, hey, there's 3 trading actions to take, we're either buying, selling, or not trading. I don't think buying makes any sense underneath that level. The only real reason I think you buy is that it breaks through this level, this green zone, the 1.0 level. Or maybe it comes back down into support, which is all the way back down here at the orange zone. You can see these resistance levels here. 99.50, 0.9960 is that orange zone, and really you can see the market bouncing around it right back here when it was on the free fall, coming down, holding between the green and the orange zone. So it's not too hard to see that the orange zone lower is your support, the green zone is your resistance. Your decision today is don't buy it. Potentially you look for opportunities, resistance, reversal, and selling opportunities into the green zone. And really, you don't have much risk. You just don't want it to break back above 1.0 if you decide to go short on the dollar franc today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.